Alright, y'all. Uncle B back at it again. We got a treat for y'all today. We're gonna do something a little different. Well, I guess it won't be different. It's gonna be non-traditional. Yeah, we're gonna come down with these ribs today. And instead of doing traditional ribs, yeah, we're gonna do some jerk ribs. Yes, sir. Some jerk baby back ribs. So, y'all interested in seeing what the jerk baby back ribs come out like? With the pecan smoke on them? Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. The jerk ribs rinsed off, and we're about to season them up and get them out here on the smoker. And we're gonna put a binder on. We're gonna use mayo today, and we're gonna put a little, the usual Trinity: salt, pepper, garlic. Y'all don't know that by now? That's what you always start out with: salt, pepper, and garlic on any meat. It's gonna make it taste good. Yes, sir. And then you can add your finishing touches at the end. You want to add something to it? We're gonna be adding this today. Yep, for the jerk chicken. I mean, not chicken, but the jerk ribs. Yes, sir. We made jerk chicken last week. If y'all ain't seen that video, go check it out. It came out spectacular, and that was my first time ever making it. Yep, little simple recipe with this right here. So it was so good, we're gonna try it on the ribs today. Yes, sir. I'll get y'all back on here with me when we get a little bit of this seasoning on here. Let y'all see what it look like. All right, we got the mayo on. That's what it look like. Just put a little light coat. Not a lot. Don't need half the bottle or nothing. Just a little bit to make it a little sticky. That's the purpose of the mayo, to make it sticky so that the seasoning adheres to the meat. And yeah, we're gonna come with the salt first. Everybody got their preference on how they do things. Gotta hold it up high so you get an even coat. Gonna put a little bit on the back side. Oh yeah, we didn't take the membrane off. That's a preference thing. Anybody want to do the membrane, take it off, do your thing. Well, we didn't. I never do. So, yep, we're gonna do a little bit of granulated garlic. That's all it takes, just a little light coat. That's the back side, that ain't the business side, so don't take too much on that side. And a little coarse black pepper. That's it, salt, pepper, and garlic. A little light coat on there. Like that. Then we flip them over. And do it all over again, y'all. That's it. Just like that. A little even, gentle coat. Not too crazy. A little salt. It's all preference. You like it salty, you put a little more salt on there than that. You always want to go easy on the salt though. Use more spices than salt. Yeah, go with the spices. And the pepper. Light on the salt, heavy on the spices. Herbs and spices go a long way. Yes, sir. That's it, just like that, y'all. Real simple. A little rub right there. Salt, pepper, and garlic. That's all you need on any meat. And that's a little gentle coat right there. That's it. That's all I'm putting on there. And we're going to get him out here on the smoker. Stay tuned. Salt, Seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic. Mayonnaise as a binder. That's it. Get them out here on the smoker. That's it. Won't move. Won't move until they done. That's where they gonna rest. Yes, sir. Let the Pecos do the rest. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Look at that. That old fat starting to render. And that's what you want it to look like. Yeah, we're about 2 hours in. Baby back ribs. And we're going to let them sit out here about I guess about another 30 or 40 minutes. Let them build a little bit of bark on them. And then we're going to come out here and paint them with a little bit of that jerk seasoning. Wrap them up. So that's what we're looking at right there after 2 hours with salt, pepper, and granulated garlic with mayonnaise as a binder. Yeah, some people use mustard. I like mustard too. I just decided to use mayonnaise today. That's the results right there you get with the mayonnaise. Yeah, I've even used olive oil, but that mayonnaise got olive oil in it too, so yep. That fat render. And I haven't used no spray, no mop, no sauce. Just let the smoke do what it do. So yeah, y'all stick with me, and we're gonna put the jerk seasoning on when we come back. Y'all can check it out. Ooh, they smelling real good too, y'all. Already. Alrighty. These things keep on rocking. All right, y'all. We're looking good. We're gonna wrap these babies up. Bone starting to poke out already. Yeah, we're gonna wrap these babies up for about an hour and let them continue to ride. They're looking real good and smelling real good too. Yes, sir. Jamaican jerk, smoked baby back ribs. Smell the love, y'all. Yep, we're gonna get them wrapped up. Bring y'all back when we open them back up out of the foil.